Pad 7 Pro from TridentZ without any additional cost. I already unboxed this device, but I have I have a bad audio, so I have to do it again. That's why I want to look like new, but I think that's okay. There you go. Well, let me just, whoops, some accessories. All right. Check out that color. Ooh, juicy color. And the cameras. There's a microphone on the top, 50 megapixel. Then volume button and a microphone. On the top, power button, Dolby Atmos logo, double speakers and the mic. On the left, there's nothing. And on the bottom, double speakers, so quad speakers and USB Type-C. Put it aside and let's see what else do we have in the accessory box. And that should be a manual. Most likely a charger. There is 67 watt charger, USB Type-A. Converter is included in a box. If you live in a different country than Central Europe, then maybe, for example, UK, so you get a compatible converter. All right, what else do we have in the box? What else? Most likely on the other side. A power cable. All right. Fingerprint sensors on the top. Power button, not on the side. So I'm not sure what that is. Now we know what it is. This is a magnetic stripe to charge pen accessory. There it is. Swiping 144 Hz. If we go to the settings and then my device, then we are greeted with Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, 12 GB of RAM, 8850 mAh battery, 3200 resolution, 11.2 inch screen, 50 camera. Go into the display, 144 fixed. You can do 90 or 60 or default is automated. I'm not going to recommend that. Well, camera. And then the camera 4K 60, which is amazing. You rarely see 4K 60 in any tablet. Documents. We do have portrait. We do have more. Let's go back to the portrait and let's take that selfie. Whoa, impressive. 4K 60 frames per second, that's the maximum resolution for this tablet. We don't have wide angle lens, but 4K 60, we can do zoom if we wanted to. That's electronic zoom. Let's go back. Very stable. Super cool. I look ridiculous filming like a tablet, but it's okay, I guess it's okay. Alright. And with the front-facing camera, it's also super wide. Okay, wide. And looks good. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? No, we don't. But yeah, you can vlog with it if you wanted to. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Yes, it will. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate. Well, it's too cloudy to see that. Too cloudy. And for the main lens, autofocus is available, so you can do macro. Impressive in 4K 60. Very impressive.
Someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention.
Document scanning, for example. Is it going to scan that? Yes, it will, and it's pretty good. Director mode. What does that mean? It means that we will have all kinds of features like filters. This should work. Oh, there they are. Filters. Like in a smartphone. And depth also. Flash. Yeah. Do we have any AI stuff? Of course we do have AI. For example, clouds. We can change it. We can do even something way different. Check this out. Cram sky. Alright. Something even more crazy like this one. Ooh. This looks awesome. and maybe even a small video with fireworks. For example, eraser, if you want to erase those people. 90% and erasing time. They're gone. Vanished. No copyright sound. Quick. And quick. Wi-Fi 7. It sounds like a small boombox, but cleaner. There's a game mode available like any other Xiaomi smartphones, 60 frames per second. We're on a performance mode, you can do balance if you wanted to. Yeah, all kinds of features. Let's resume. Lambo drift, oops. Alright. And nitro, I guess, nitro. Woohoo! I'm going this way, I'm going this way. Swipe, and here we go! Alright. Accessories for this device, which I don't have at the moment, like a pen or keyboard, and with the pen app, you can draw something very nicely, very super easy, and it's super cool. Chinese version, so what's the difference? Instead of Google News on the left, we do have them on the app. Oh, not this one. Look, very similar. This one. There you go. And I'm in Poland, so I have a Polish Google News. It feels like a flagship smartphone. Thin bezels, feels very nice in the hand. It's not too slippery. Great, huge screen, high resolution, quad audio, amazing for content consuming and drawing. Very powerful, also good for gaming. Battery, I wouldn't know because I have this device for a very short time. Link in the description without any additional cost. Well, I do have some discount codes for you, so check it out. Link in the description, like I said. See you next video. Bye. Ports are most likely for the keyboard. Keyboard, most likely.